Baytra is more than a machinery manufacturer. We are an engineering firm, a technology company, and a premier builder of material processing equipment and die cutting and automation systems in China. Our mission is to build and deliver better solutions that enable manufacturers to succeed. Innovation drives success at Baytra, and we are deeply invested in the success of every customer. This passion and our unparalleled engineering and manufacturing ingenuity allow us to build the best material processing solutions for your application. We help you by choosing the right flexible material, designing the right part, and facilitating efficiency and scalability in your manufacturing process. We build machines that are safe, reliable, and easy to maintain and support. So when you buy a Baytra equipment, you're not only getting a high-quality machine, you're also getting a robust, reliable, and built-to-last machine. Your competitive advantage is one click away.